I found this frame from Hobby Lobby in the clearance section for $6 and change. With my 035 brush from Klingon and my antique villa from Wise Owl, I covered the entire frame. Guys, all brushes, paint products, transfers, and tissue paper can be found at chalkitupfancy.com. And if you enjoy this tutorial, go check us out on YouTube and please subscribe. This frame did need a second coat. Now, once that was dry, I found this grill topper at the dollar store, and I stapled it to the back of my frame. A hand stapler would work just fine. And then I took 220 grit sandpaper and distressed the frame, concentrating on some of the detail. I found this bunny at Dollar General for $4. Now, if you can't find this bunny, you can add many objects to a frame. I love to dress up frames often. I did attach this bunny with some floral wire to my grill topper. Post below what you would put in a frame. I took some gilding wax. I did go with gold. I like the contrast, and I put it all over my bunny and around the frame for some highlighting. I found this nest for $4.99 with 40% off. And put the stick that it was attached to through the grill topper and attached with some floral wire. And then cut the remaining stick off. So to give this a little farmhouse look, I found some gingham ribbon and took a very small piece and just fed it through the existing ribbon that was already on my aluminum bunny. You can add any ribbon that you like that fits your decor. And he was really simple to do, and I think he came out really cute. Again, if you enjoyed this tutorial, go check us out on YouTube. Guys, all paint, products, and brushes, chalkitupfancy.com.